Everyone, and welcome to the biggest community of cloud and DevOps engineers. Thanks for your support, which you have provided in 2024, and we have reached the count of the 58,000 cloud and DevOps engineer in our community. And as per your big demand or as per your big success, and you already made your package double, triple in 2024. Now the time came for the 2025 as well. We will definitely able to get more than that package what you have achieved in 2024 in 2025 as well. For that, as per your demand, we have come up into the practical challenge, and I am showing that what exactly it is. This is the 30 real-time practical challenge which we are going to perform real-time in the AWS, GCP, and DevOps environment as well. Now, what exactly it is? We will help you out to transform your current experience, whatever it is, into the high package demand into the multi-cloud and DevOps. How exactly it will happen? Every day, 8 p.m. IST, Monday to Friday, we are going to perform the practical. Guys, time should be noted. 8 p.m. IST, Monday to Friday, regularly we are going to perform. This is 45 minutes, 40% theory and 60% practical, or even more than that, 70-80% practicals I'm going to perform. In this journey, you can just click on this link and come to the WhatsApp group. First point. And after that, you can click on this link. You can click on this link and you will able to see the roadmap, what exactly we are going to follow in the next 3 weeks. If you will see, if you will come down on the 16th of December, we are going to create the practical number 1 and practical number 2. Day 17 or 17th December, we are going to perform the practical 3 and 4. Same way, the 30 practicals we are going to perform in a very short duration, just 30 minutes every day. In the month of December or first week of January, we are going to complete this 30 practicals. And guys, trust me, this 30 practicals, if you will write in your resume, because other last batch students has already written this and they've already get the double or triple package in their journey as well. So I want you to perform this practical with me hands-on. I will give you the live step-by-step command. I will execute in front of you guys, and you have to follow the same instruction so that you can able to achieve it. If you're not in any of the WhatsApp group, please scan this barcode. Please scan this barcode and come to the WhatsApp group so that you will get all these links, whatever I'm showing to you. Okay, as well as what exactly we are going to do it and how exactly this challenge, guys. First, this challenges will be very interesting and you will learn a lot here. Point number one. Second, lot of students will ask what exactly it is, how exactly it is, how we can able to perform. If I'm a non-technical person, I'm able to do it or not. I'm going to give you all these answers in the next 5 minutes. Just give me 5 minutes, I will give you all the answers. First, this is a challenge for the 21 days, 8 p.m. IST, Monday to Friday on the multi-cloud and top DevOps tools. It's an implementation challenge. As well as I'm going to give you one project also. In that project, 40 AWS service we are going to develop on the AWS cloud. Why we have started this challenge, or what is the intention of this challenge? Because we know that if you will go just learning by theory, you will go in this way and lot of rejections are happening by students and we don't like it, or even you also get frustrated that why this rejection is happening, and you will try for one interview, two interview, and you will get leave it that cloud and DevOps profile is very tough. No, you are wrong. If you will do the real-time practicals, you will get multiple offers, and definitely you have to follow that way, which I'm inviting you. How exactly this thing and what all things will be there? The very first question come in your mind, what exactly the pre-request is there? As I will open this, I need your very basic laptop. If you have very basic laptop, just install the Chrome and Zoom into this and come to the sessions. Chrome to connect to the cloud, Zoom to connect with me, and it will be live interactive sessions. Zero knowledge. If you don't have anything, no need to worry. I will start from the very basic. Some people will ask, sir, it will be required coding knowledge or prior experience. No, if you don't have any coding knowledge, no need to worry. In the DevOps, very less coding is required, and we have a ChatGPT to do all these activities, so you don't have to worry. Even if you have only minor thing I needed from you, the intention to become cloud or DevOps engineer for high package job in 2024 or in 2025 or in 2026. If you have that intention, you are welcome. This is the basic prerequisite is required from your side. Second, what all resources or what all things I'm going to provide it to you? I'm going to provide you the LMS access. What exactly will happen? If you will see I will show you at the end. Okay, no need to worry. In that, all the PPT and recordings will be available. I will give you the Android application as well, so that you can download the PPT, you can download the videos and watch again and again. I will give you the step-by-step document so that you can able to perform the activities with me as well as after my class as well. Around 20 plus of hours of live interaction will happen so that you will able to perform the practicals. It will be live and interactive sessions, and as well as I'm going to give you the recording as well. This is the resources which I'm going to provide it to you. Now, because is this enough? No, I have a lot of extra benefits which I'm going to give it to you. So I'm just showing here. Okay. You will get, or I will teach you that how to create a 1 year of AWS account. I will help you out to create your 3 months of GCP account as well. And I will add you into the private WhatsApp group so that you can talk with 24/7 with your batchmate as well. I will help you out, or I will give you the best ATS resume so that you can change your name, just change some technical skills and go and upload into the Naukri and get a lot of interview calls. I'm going to give you, or I'm going to help you to provide, or I will implement with you 30 real-time practicals on AWS, GCP, Linux, and DevOps tools. We will discuss, as well as we will make some real-time technical scenarios as well in these discussions. At the end of the session, I will give you the LinkedIn verified trade certificate as well, so that you can add into the LinkedIn account for the next 2 years validity as well. It will be a group learning. Whatever the problem you will get, I will help you out. My team will help you out, or my previous group members also help you out, so that all the problems will be get solved. Plus, if you will do the practicals every week, I'm going to give you 1,000 rupees a cashback also. Whatever you are doing the practical, it will be returned to you. This is the benefits which I'm going to provide you. It's written 6, but 7, 8 benefits are there already. Now, if you will, I need an intention that please accept the challenge. Follow the step-by instruction into the practical and just mention that, hello, Cloud DevOps community, I'm ready to accept the challenge, which is a practical challenge of 3 weeks to enhance my AWS, Linux, GCP, and DevOps skills. That's it. This is what you have to mention by tagging our Cloud DevOps community in LinkedIn, Facebook, Insta, wherever you are, and your challenge will be accepted. Even if you will make a comment on this YouTube video that I'm accepting the challenge, and your challenge will be accepted. It will be live interactive sessions. Sharp 8 p.m. You have to be available on the Zoom session. First 5 minutes, we will recap the previous practical, and after that 30 minutes theory as well as practical, we will do it step by step. And in the last 15 minutes, we are going to discuss some technical questions as well. You can ask the questions. After that, what exactly the challenge detail is? It's going to be get started from the 16th of December, Monday. If you join after that also, no need to worry. You can watch the recording and you can see that also. No need to worry. If you will directly come into that after 5 days also, it's okay. You will be able to understand for sure, because all practicals are not dependent on each other. Okay. It's a Monday to Friday, 8 p.m. IST, 20 minutes daily practical sessions and 20-minute discussion we are going to do. Means it's a very short duration. 30 practicals, we are going to do it. Plus, I'm going to give you the project also, which are the 40 AWS services implement with the help of Terraform tool. And I'm going to give you the steps which you have to write in your resume as well as a project. If you are still thinking that why you have to attend, because anyone can learn Cloud DevOps. And trust me, you can also learn it. Easy to get a job. If you have a real-time experience, you will able to get a job. Faster career growth will be there. Highest salary across the different IT jobs as well. Your value will be get increased. You will get a respect into that, and you are going to do the real-time activities into the cloud and DevOps job role as well. That's why you have to attend these sessions. After that, the question is who can attend? Yes, if you're beginner, fresher, non-technical, you can start your career into the cloud and DevOps as well. If you're IT professional in different domain, yes, you are also welcome to become a cloud or DevOps engineer. If you feel that I'm already into the cloud or DevOps, so you can enhance your skills with a practical experience, and you are also welcome. So I'm inviting beginner, freshers, and IT professional as well, or who are aspirant into the cloud and DevOps. Now I have so many other questions as well. If you have a question like this, is this challenge right fit for me, or if I'm a complete beginner? Yes. If you're a beginner, I will teach you everything from the basic as well. What I need to be participate, what I have to do it to participate into this cloud. No need to worry. Just come up with your laptop, basic laptop, Chrome or internet, and you can learn it, everything. The language will be simple like this, simple English. If you have any questions in Hindi also, you can ask with me at the end of the sessions. I'm okay with that. What will happen if I miss the recordings, if I miss the live session? No need to worry. I'm going to give you the 2 years of recording access. You can watch it anytime. Now, what exactly the syllabus is, as I shown into this place, the syllabus is going to be this. The practicals are showing every step by step for every practicals which we are going to perform on what day is mentioned into this place. This is the syllabus is going to be happening. Now, benefits I have already shown you. After the program, which job role I can apply. Okay. You can apply for the cloud DevOps cloud job role as well. You can apply for the DevOps job role as well. And you can apply for the cloud or DevOps, some extra or some specialist job role as well into this. These are the job roles or these are the gates open for you into the after doing this practical sessions. And now, how to join it? The answer is very simple. Join this WhatsApp community. You will get all the links into the description itself. As soon as you will scan this barcode, you will be landed into the WhatsApp group and see the group description, as well as there is a one WhatsApp group as well for the December 2024. Please join that and you will get all the details. You will be able to connect with me, my team, or you will get all the links, whatever I'm showing it. Please join this WhatsApp group. I'm just taking 30-second time here. As soon as you will join this WhatsApp group, you will be able to get all the links or details directly into the WhatsApp. That's it. And if still you have any question, or you can join the WhatsApp group, you can ping to all the admins. That is also possible. If you want to ping right away, okay, you can, here is my team details. Okay, you can talk to anybody in my team. Even I'm expecting you are also in a part of my team, because we are the community of 58,000 members. And if you're watching me, I want you to join my Facebook group as well, so that you will be a part of my community. That's it. Cool. Okay. The details are very simple. As soon as you will scan this barcode, you will be landed into this page. In this page, all the detail about the challenge is mentioned here. As I'm going to take the challenge, I'm going to teach you everything step by step. Point number one, I'm Vikas and I'm the founder of this community. Now, this challenge, the price which we are planning is more than 999 as well. But today, as we are making it for the last time in 2024, so I'm this introducing price of 4,999, as well as I have a discount for you because you are watching me live on the YouTube. You will get it 1 year free AWS account as well as 3 months of GCP account. We will add you into the WhatsApp group. Third, you will get a ATS complaints resume as well. Fourth, you will get a 30 real-time practicals on AWS, GCP, and DevOps. We will help you to implementation into the real time, as well as LinkedIn verified training certificate. You will get it, which you can write in your resume to make your resume stronger. This challenge is best fit for beginners, freshers, and non-tech IT professionals, as well as the future cloud and DevOps engineers. Yes, 30 real-time practicals we will do it. You can click on this link. As soon as you will click on this, one introduction price or some discount will be applicable automatically. The discount code is challenge, and the 2,000 rupees discount you are getting it in the price of 4,999, and you can enroll this in just 3,062 rupees. The price is just 100 rupees for one practical. Even not 100, because I'm going to use the 40 AWS services also. 30 practicals plus 40 AWS services means you are going to get 70 practicals or 70 things in the just the price of 3,000 rupees. So less than 100 rupees is the price for one practical, which will be really helpful for you in 2025 to get a package double or triple for sure. And that's it. And now you have to click on this 2,000 rupees. This code is only applicable till the first day of this workshop. The first day of this challenge means 16th of December, this code will be removed. Please enroll it before that. And now you can click on this, and as soon as you will click on the proceed, you will get the API link or you will get a barcode. Directly you can scan this barcode and you can join this in 3,062 rupees. That's it. If still any question came in your mind, you can reach out to this WhatsApp group. You can reach out to any of the admin of this WhatsApp group and connect with us. Ask the questions, clarify whatever you have, and I will help you out for that. Still, if you want a number directly on your screen, scan this barcode. Please come into the WhatsApp group. Else, ping any of the admin of the WhatsApp group, or ping to me, ping to Ekta, ping to Akansha for any of the clarification. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thanks, Lord.